Welcome to Joe Cooks. I hope everyone's had a nice week and that. And yeah, I thought we'd focus on breakfast this week and make me breakfast smoothie. I have this every morning when I come back from the gym and that. It sets us up perfect for the day. Perfect for the day. We'll have a quick run through the ingredients and we'll crack on. For this, we're going to be using 50 grams of breakfast oats. We're going to be using 100 grams of frozen mixed berries. You can use blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, whatever berry you want. We're using 100 grams of frozen spinach. We're using 40 grams of whey protein powder. I got this one from Home Bargains. It's only $12.99 a bag. Last stages, so price-wise, it's not as expensive as you think. A spoonful of sweetener to sweeten things up with. 500 mils of cold water. And what I like to do, this is just me, I like to put 3 grams of Creatine Monohydrate in. Helps us recover from the gym, and since I've been using it, I've felt a real improvement in things like me eyesight, my cognitive responses and that. I don't know if it's a placebo effect or not, but it works for me, it works for me. It's perfectly safe, and there's plenty of research on the internet if you want to check it out. It's good, it's good. Right, I'll have a quick setup and we'll crack on. Really quick one, this one. Right, I'm all set up now. I'm going to be putting the oats in the blender first. We're going to blend it down. I like to blend mine down to a flour consistency. I don't like mine lumpy. I like a nice smooth smoothie. You can have it coarse if you want, just grind it for less. This is quite noisy, so I'll do some transitions and that. And yeah, brilliant, brilliant. Right, that's took about 3 minutes. I'll pull it off and just show you, because this is the oatmeal flour. It's fantastic, you know. I'll get a spoon. Look at that. Look at that. Oat flour. So don't be buying it from the supermarket, just make it yourself, you know. It's great in bacon and that. Fantastic, fantastic. You'll see it in my channel, in other videos and that. But we'll put that back on, because we're not here for this, we're here for the smoothie. And what I'm going to do now is go in with the 500 mils of water. And at the same time, I'm going to go in with the sweetener and the creatine. The creatine's optional, like I said, that's just for me. But it might be something you want to look into. I don't know, it's entirely up to you. It's entirely up to you. But that can go in. We'll waz this up again for another minute or so. And we'll make oat milk. Oat milk. I'm making a bit of a mess this morning. Right, that's took about a minute. Again, we'll have a little look at it because this is the oat milk. If I was to use this as milk, I'd decant it into something like this, like an old shaker or something with a lid on. And I'd just put it in the fridge and it'd settle and all the bits would just sink down to the bottom, but look at that. Again, don't be buying oat milk because there's no need. Put that in the fridge for a couple of hours, all the sediment will sink and it's perfect, it's perfect. But again, we're not here for that, we're here for this smoothie. But we'll get this back together. And next, what we're going to be doing is going in with the frozen spinach. I'll move this back a little bit. The frozen spinach, we're going to put one in at a time because you might overwork your blender a little bit. Put one in, blast it, we'll put the other one in and we'll come back. You might see us rocking me blender and that. I don't think it makes a heap of a difference, but it's just something I do. Everyone probably does something ridiculous like that. It's probably got no point to it, but I like it, so I do it. Right. Right, that's the spinach in. Looking nice and green in that. Almost looks too healthy, doesn't it? It's perfect, man. It's lush, it's lush. But, right, what we're going to do now, we're going to go in with the fruit. Just pile it in. I think I've got enough space to get this thing under here. There we go. this will take away the green colour and turn it into a lovely purple, And at the same time, we're going to go in with protein powder. Like I say, if you don't use protein powder, explore it, you know. I love this stuff, mate. Like, I like it in a protein shake, but more so I use it as an ingredient. So it's lush, Right, we'll put this on, because breakfast is so important, you know, so important. You get your breakfast right, the rest of your day will be right. And this is perfect, it's balanced, it's so balanced. So we'll blast it for about another 3 minutes, make it nice and fluffy in that. We'll serve it up. We'll say our goodbyes. Right, that's it. Breakfast is served. I'll just bring a glass in. I'd like to thank you all for watching and that. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell us in the comments what you have for breakfast and that. And maybe I'll copy yous. But look at this. Doesn't that look so healthy? Balanced, full of antioxidants, full of minerals, full of protein. Perfect. Perfect for a weight loss plan. Perfect for just waking up in the morning and wanting to be at your best. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay safe, be kind, hit the like button, hit subscribe and that, and I'll see you on next week's video. Thank you very much. Oh, fantastic. Try that for a week. You feel like a new person.